What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? How you doing today? What's up? How you doing? What's up, you guys? What's going on? I miss you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. What's going on, you guys? Hey, it's Skinny Boy Randy. What's up? I did that super extra long. I know, right? I'm so sorry. No, I'm not. But yes. Hey, you guys. How you doing? I'm not going to hold you long. I just want to do a quick video for you guys. How are you? Yes, I miss you guys when you're not here. Yes. Oh, my goodness. Thank you so much for being here. You can be anywhere in the garden universe, but you choose to spend a little time with Skinny Boy Randy, and I love you for it. If nobody told you today they love you, I do. Okay. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. Today, you guys, I just want to make a quick video for you. Oh, preliminary. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. We're beginners and experts are always welcome. Yes, we love you guys. Thanks for being here. We are not that soft and quiet. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, click like and subscribe, you guys. Click like and subscribe. We'll fertilize while you subscribe. Fertilize while you subscribe. You subscribe and we'll fertilize. How you doing? Thank you so much, y'all. Click that button, like and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down. Just let the 2 middle fingers, okay? Also, share the video with all your social media, all your friends and family. Let them know. Come over here and check out Skinny Boy Randy. What we do is simple and easy, y'all. We don't do pretty gardening. We do productive gardening, okay? Because we ain't got no money. We ain't got no money. We just like to get our food growing and grow what we eat. I always tell you, grow what you're going to eat, you guys. Okay, I love you. Thank you so much for being here. Also, if you want to head on over to my Facebook group, head on over there right now. We'll wait. It's called Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. Beginner to experts are also welcome. Head on over to my Facebook group, my Instagram, my Twitter. Join you guys. Let them know that you came over here from the YouTube channel. I love you for it. Thank you so much. I love you. Yes, you guys. Today, I just want to talk to you about fertilizers. I've been getting a lot of comments about when to fertilize, how to fertilize, what fertilizer, you know, and yeah, when to fertilize. Y'all know, we don't proclaim to be professionals over here now, okay? We just try to grow things that we can grow. We experiment. We do things together. We go up. We go down. We go right in the middle sometimes and we get it just right. Thank you, Lord, for getting it right. Yes, for the good food. Yeah, you guys, just want to talk to you today about fertilizing. I had a few comments. People are asking, Randy, what do you do? When are you fertilizing? How do you fertilize? Let me blow my screen up so I can see myself, y'all. Yes. So what I do is I take chances. I go out here and I look at my yard and I see what's going on. And then I think, okay, this did okay. And then a few feet away, something else is doing not so okay. So the soil can be totally different. You guys know this is a new home. So I'm still learning the soil. A lot of containers are growing up there. Still learning how the sun flows in the back of the house. Keep up with your sunlight and all that good stuff, you guys. But when it comes to your fertilizer, don't overthink it. That's the best advice I can give you. Don't overthink your fertilizer, because that's the worst thing you can do is overthink it. Been there, done that. I had a leaf that looked like yellow than my Home Depot buckets, because I was over fertilizing. And I'm like, you looked so good at first, but then I thought, let me feed her a little more. Let me give her a little more. Let me do a little extra. Patience is key, you guys. Patience is key. And if you've been following the Skinny Boy Randy Facebook channel, you'll know. A lot of people are like this. What's going on? Spinach just stopped growing. What's going on? I fertilize every 2 weeks. Hey, sometimes Mother Nature has her way of going in dormancy, and then when she comes out, you'll be like this, where did that come from? But that's how it happens. And I'm going to show you guys on the deck how and when to fertilize. But yeah, there are different type of fertilizers you guys can get. Okay, first of all, let's start off with this. Vermiculite is not a fertilizer. Vermiculite is just a moisture aeration, which means, you know, loosen the soil up a little bit for you so your water drains better. Vermiculite is not a fertilizer, so let's just take that out of the equation. For the ones that have a question about is vermiculite fertilizer, it's actually not. There are no actual nutrients in vermiculite. It's a great thing. I love it, but it's no nutrients. Okay, I try to keep it real with y'all. Okay, then you have organic bone meal. Yeah, you guys, none of this is paid promotion. None of this is for these companies, but this is what I've been using. So bone meal is not something that's instant. Yeah. Hence the name bone meal. So this, when you put it in your garden, I tend to use it more on the outside, in my outside garden versus in containers. Unless you have a big container, then yeah, because it's going to take a while to break down. A lot of fertilizers take a while to break down, you guys. That's the difference between soluble and insoluble. Insoluble means you can't mix it with water and just use it instantly and the roots will get it right then. No, it's more like this, where you have to mix it in with the soil, let it rest and let it water it in. Eventually, it'll break itself down. Yeah, that's that time release fertilizer soil you be buying too, okay? So this bone meal, it's not an instant fertilizer. Now, some products come and they tell you, it holds water, you can start your seedlings, you can do a lot of things with this. We're going to show you how to use this. I'm going to show you how to use this. I haven't opened it yet. It's still contained. To me, it feels like, compressed soil. Vacuum seal. It's supposed to make 3 gallons. We're going to try it out, you guys, and I'll let you know when I try this out. I'm not going to open it because I don't want it to get airborne and, the bag to be unsealed. But yeah, some soils come with instructions saying they have fertilizer in them. Always read your package. I don't see anything that says fertilizer in here, but it says you can use it for everything. So I'm assuming something's in there. Now, this is an actual fertilizer, an all-purpose plant food from Lily Miller. I've ordered this a few times, and it's a 10-10-10. Some people like 5-5-5. Whatever suits your boat, whatever you're growing, always do your research. Find out what you're growing, why you're growing it, and what type of nutrients it needs. Also, 511. Shout out to everybody that uses 511. Learned this a while ago from New Orleans Gardener. Shout out to her. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. And just tried it, Hey, you guys always go and check out what other people are doing, what's trending, what's going on, and what could help you in your garden. Zone 7 here, Richmond, Virginia, and I've tried these products. This 10-10-10 works great for me. I love it. I love it. It's 10-10-10, and I'll show you one day exactly how I mix it up. But you've seen me use it plenty of times. Just take a handful, scoop it in, and throw it in. But use what you have. If you don't have a 10-10-10, you might have a 5-5-5. You might have a 9-1-1. You might have a 3-2-1. Okay. Use what you got, you guys. Because we ain't got no money to keep going out here buying a whole bunch of products. Use what you have. Look around your house. Those little things that you bought a while ago, you'd be surprised. You'd be like, I did not even know that it had nitrogen in it, or that it had phosphate in it, or that it had potassium in it. Yeah, that NPK, y'all, that's that number they talking about. The NPK 511. Okay, nitrogen, phosphate, potassium, one. Yes, I hope I got it right. I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. But yes, you guys, don't overthink your fertilizer. So let's walk up here on the deck and let's grab our fish emulsion, because we're fertilizing seedlings, and when you do that, you only do that once they get their true leaves, you guys. I've had comments saying the spinach looking like this, you guys. Does your spinach look like this, that you're starting from seed? Those 2 long plants, flowers, stems, leaves come out, and then you see the true leaves. Yeah, it's okay. See, a lot of these things, they take their time. Beets, Swiss chard, arugula. So what we're going to do is, I try to do it every 2 weeks. So every other Thursday, just get out here. I take a little bit of this, the fish emulsion, 511. Get my water container. You guys know I don't do any editing, so I'm doing this right in front of your face. A water container. And I just mix this up very well. Now, it says to use 1 tablespoon per gallon. Okay? But like I said, everything doesn't work the same for everybody. So what I do is I take mine after I mix it up really good. And this stuff, whoa, wow, it smells. But I take it and I just pour a little bit. And I count 1, 2, 3. That's enough. Okay? This stuff stank. You guys know I love you guys, but that stuff stank. Yes, and I don't mean stink. I mean stank. So all I'm gonna do is fill it up with water. Now this is the Fishy Motion 511. I'm going to fill this up. This is supposed to be 1.5 gallons, I believe. Or maybe just 1 gallon. And fill it all the way up, you guys. The water looks brownish. Ooh, and it smells like you're down at the lake fishing. And then you just want to go through and water. I'm trying to hold my camera and water at the same time for you guys. That's how much I love you. Yeah, let that fishy motion get down in there. Water these babies. Can y'all see me? That's all right. Some get down here too. Get our spinach over here. Oh Lord, this thing heavy. I'm strong-o. But yeah, you guys, it's about every 2 weeks. Check your plants. When they look like, okay, let me give y'all some food. Give them some food. And that's all you do. And there's different types of fertilizers all over the world. Take what you have and make it work. Buy what you can buy and make it work. And you'll do just fine, okay? Okay, because it's your garden. Can't nobody tell you how to run your garden, because ain't nobody give you no money for your garden. Ain't nobody give you no money. I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Remember, live, love, laugh. You guys, grow stuff and eat it. You're the best.